In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play background music on YT Music. If you've ever wanted your favorite tracks to keep playing while you jump into other apps or lock your screen, this guide will walk you through the two most reliable ways to do it. Starting with the official option and then a simple workaround for mobile browsers. First, the official method with YouTube Premium. This is the most seamless experience and works consistently across devices. Open the YouTube Music app on your phone. In the top corner, tap your profile picture. Then choose Get Music Premium to subscribe. Once your membership is active, you don't need to change anything else. Start playing a song or playlist. Then switch to another app or lock your screen. Your music will keep going without interruptions. Besides background play, you will also get an ad-free experience and uninterrupted playback, which is great if you listen for long stretches. If you are not seeing background play right away, give it a moment for your subscription to update, then fully close and reopen the app. Now, if you are looking for a free option on mobile, here is a browser workaround. It's not as polished as Premium, but it can do the job. Open Chrome on Android or Safari on iOS and go to music.youtube.com in your browser controls. Request the desktop site. In Chrome, that's the three-dot menu. In Safari, tap the AA icon in the address bar. Once the desktop version loads, start playing your music. Now minimize the browser or lock your phone. If the audio pauses, pull down your notification shade on Android or open Control Center on iOS, and press play to resume. The track should continue in the background while you use other apps or keep the screen off. Keep in mind, this trick can be a bit finicky. If it stops after a while, reopen the browser tab and hit play again. Leaving the tab open and avoiding aggressive battery savers can help it stay active longer. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.